I'm going to show you how to reset your Verizon Fios router. First, make sure the router is turned on and locate the reset button. Usually a small recessed button on the back or bottom of the router. With the router powered on, use a paper clip, pen, or similar pointed object to press and hold down the reset button. Hold it firmly for about 15 seconds. Some force may be needed as the button is recessed to prevent accidental resets. After 15 seconds, release the reset button. The router will now begin the reset process, which might take a few minutes as it restores to factory default settings and reboots. Once the router powers back on, check the indicator lights to confirm it has reset successfully. You can then log in into the router setting using the default username and password which should be provided on a label on the router.